Hey guys, I am back on our video. Today I am about to be showing you guys how to make slime. So first, I'm gonna take a cup. Something to mix it with. I'm gonna go in my bathroom. Shampoo. This is y'all probably can't see because of the brightness. This is I feel like kind of a shampoo and hairspray. More shampoo. You mix it very good. You're gonna put a little bit of water there. You're gonna dump the water out because you have to make it jiggly. So more water and dump it out because you need to make it strong now. More water and dump it out. Y'all just don't know how to make slime. And you gotta leave a little bit of water in there. But then you're going to pour a little bit better. More hair gel, more spray, hair spray. I'm going to put some lotion in it. I have Journey's lotion. And I don't know what color this is going to be, but yeah, the lotion is going to make it more slimy. This is a cute color, it's sky blue. Oh my god. I'm gonna pause you guys real quick because yeah, you're still going to hear me, but yeah, so. Oh my god. I am back. This is on my mom's shirt. So yeah. You're going to add more shampoo. You need conditioner. You're going to mix it up. I'm going to put more shampoo in it. I mean conditioner in it. I never used just conditioner. Mix it up. You're going to use some soap. Y'all can use whatever kind of soap y'all need. Alright. Huh? What chill? Oh.
Get your ass in here and clean this shit up.
And in a freezer for 20 minutes. I will catch you on the next vlog.